Hi, let's do some past paper sums on percentages. Anna makes cups. Each cup costs 6 Swiss francs to make. Anna puts the cups into boxes to sell. Each box contains 4 cups. Anna sells 80 boxes of cups for a total of 2,160 Swiss francs. Work out the percentage profit Anna makes. Show your working clearly. So she sells 80 boxes of cups. So we need to find the total cost. How do you find the total cost? 80 boxes, and each box contains 4 cups, and each cup 6 Swiss francs equals 80 times 4 times 6, 1920. So we need to find the percentage profit. Percentage profit equals profit over cost into 100. So cost we found, then we need to find profit. Profit equals 2,160, that is the total selling price, minus total cost 1,920. You get 0, 6 minus 2, that is 4, 21 minus 19, that is 2, 240. Percentage profit equals profit, that is 240, over total cost, that is 1,920 into 100. This gives you 240 over 1,920 into 100, 12.5. In a sale, normal prices are reduced by 28%. The sale price of a watch is 198 euros. Work out the normal price of the watch. Normal price sale price. You get a 28% reduction, and you are given the sale price, that is 198 euros. We need to find the normal price. First of all, we have to take this percentage, and we need to find the new percentage by subtracting. That is 100 minus 28, that is 72%. How do you write 72% as a fraction? That is 72 over 100. Now you can see here, we need to find the initial price. When you find the initial price, this is called reverse percentage. How do you find the reverse percentage? You take the sale price, that means the amount given, that is 198, multiply, you take the reciprocal of the new percentage. That means you flip the percentage and multiply, that is 100 over 72. Let's put this into the cal. 198 times 172. So it is 275. Charlotte bought an apartment for $750,000. In the first year, the value of the apartment decreased by 4%. In the second year, the value of the apartment decreased by 6.5%. In the third year, the value of the apartment increased by X%. At the end of third year, the value of the Charlotte's apartment was $698,445. Work out the value of X. Here, percentage decreased in the first year. So it is 4% decrease, that is 100 minus 4, that is 96%. Then second year also decrease, that is 6.5%, that is 100 minus 6.5, that is 93.5. Third year it is increased by X%, that is 100 plus X. So Charlotte bought an apartment for $750,000 into first year decrease. So what is the new percentage? Decreased percentage, that is 96%. How do you write percentage as a fraction? 96 over 100. This is first year. In the second year, again decreased by 6.5. So the new percentage is 93.5. That is 93.5 over 100. It's a fraction. Then the third year, it is increased by X%. That is 100 plus X over 100 as a fraction. This must be equal. After 3 years, it is 698,445. Now I'm going to put this into the cal. That is 750,000 into 96 over 100 into 93.5 over 100. That is 673,200 times 100 plus X over 100 equals 698,445. So I need to subtract this bracket. Then I have to divide both sides by 673,200. 673,200. These two get cancelled. 698,445 divided by answer. You get 1.0375. So 100 plus X over 100 equals 1.0375. Then you can multiply both sides by 100. 100 and 100 get cancelled. 100 plus X equals 1.0375 multiplied by 100. It is 103.75. And X equals 103.75 minus 100. X equals 3.75. Tim buys a bracelet for 4,000 Swiss francs. The value of the bracelet increases by 7% each year. Work out the value of the bracelet at the end of 3 years. Give your answer correct to the nearest Swiss franc. So it is increasing year by year. So it is compound interest. When you do the compound interest, we need to find the multiplier. You can find the multiplier by the given percentage. That is 7% increase. 100 plus 7, that is 107. This is a percentage. So percentage as a fraction, that is 107 over 100, that is 1.07. So this is the multiplier. Then you can write the initial value, that is 4,000, into multiplier, that is 1.07, to the power number of years, that is 3. Then we put this in the calculator. 4,000 into 1.07 to the power 3. That is 4,900.172. So they ask the answer to the nearest Swiss franc. That means whole number. So up to here. After that it is 1. So the answer is 4,900.